Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on the topic national symbols of India. So let's begin. National symbols of a country represent a host of objects that paint a unique identity about the country's sensibilities. Representatives are chosen carefully and each depicts a certain virtue that is distinctive characteristic of the country. The rich heritage of India is a result of assimilation of culture influences from its invaders through the generations. Ours is a multifaceted culture, and the various facets of our heritage require appropriate representation. A number of national symbols have been designated after careful deliberation. These national symbols play the following roles. They exemplify the rich cultural fiber that resides at the core of the country, inside a deep sense of pride in the hearts of Indian citizens, represent a quality unique to India and its citizens, should popularize the object chosen, should deserve special preservation efforts. The various categories in which Indian national symbols have been attributed are national flag, national anthem, national emblem, national song, national bird, national animal, national tree, national flower, national fruit, national calendar, and national game. The national flag of India consists of three equal strips: saffron at the top, white in the middle, and the green at the bottom. The center of white portion is adorned by a navy blue Ashoka Chakra, a wheel with 24 spokes. The national anthem of India is the first verse of the song Jana Gana Mana, which was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The Sarnath lion capital is the national emblem of India. Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, is the national song of India and symbolic reminder of India's struggle for freedom. National bird of the country is the peacock that symbolize beauty and grace. The Royal Bengal tiger, the national animal, represents strength. The banyan tree has been designated as India's national tree and represent longevity. Lotus is the national flower and represents spirituality and purity of heart. National fruit of India is mango and it exemplifies rich natural resources of the country. The Indian national calendar is based on the Saka era with Chaitra as the is first month and a normal year of 365 days. Hockey is India's national game and the country's excellence in the field is legendary. National Anthem of India. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was composed by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore and was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on January 24, 1950. Jana Gana Mana was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. The songs Jana Gana Mana consist of five stanzas. The first stanza constitutes the full version of the national anthem. National animal tiger is the national animal of India. Tiger is also called the Lord of Jungles. As the national animal of India, tiger symbolizes India's wildlife wealth. The rare combination of grace, strength, agility, and enormous power has earned the tiger great respect and high esteem. National bird peacock, which is a symbol of grace, joy, beauty, and love, is the national bird of India. Peacock occupies a respectable position in Indian culture and is protected not only by religious sentiments but also by parliamentary statute. National calendar. The national calendar of India is based on the Saka era with Chaitra as its first month and a normal year of 365 days. The national calendar of the India was adopted on March 22nd, 1957. Dates of the Indian national calendar have a permanent correspondence with a Georgian calendar dates 1 Chaitra falling on 22nd March normally and on 21st March in leap year. National emblem. National emblem of India has been taken from the Sarnath lion capital erected by Ashoka. The national emblem of India was adopted by the Government of India on 26 January 1950. In the national emblem, only three lions are visible and the fourth one is hidden from the view. National flag of India. The national flag of India is tricolor. It has deep saffron color strip at the top, white in the middle, and the dark green at the bottom in the equal portion. The width and length ratio of the national flag is 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. In the center of the white strip, there is a wheel in navy blue color to indicate the Dharma Chakra, the wheel of law in the Sarnath lion capital. National flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. The lotus symbolizes spirituality, fruitfulness, wealth, knowledge, and illumination. The most important thing about lotus is that even after growing in murky weather, it is untouched by its impurity. On the other hand, the lotus symbolizes purity of heart and mind. National fruit mango is the national fruit of India. Mango is one of the most widely grown fruits of the tropical countries. In India, mango is cultivated almost in all parts with the exception of hilly areas. Mango is a rich source of vitamin A, C and D. In India, we have hundreds of varieties of mangoes. They are different sizes, shapes and colors. National game. Hockey is the national game of India. Hockey has been played in India for time immemorial. There was a golden period of Indian hockey when hockey stalwarts of India ruled the game. On the international scenario, there were no competitors to match the magical hands of Indian hockey players. National Song of India. The National Song of India is Vande Mataram. It was composed by the famous poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in the year 1875. Rabindranath sang the national song Vande Mataram by setting a magnificent tune, and Sri Aurobindo interpreted the deep meaning of the song. National tree. Banyan is the national tree of India. The mighty banyan tree commands a great presence in the rural setting of India. The very size of the banyan tree makes it a habitat for a large number of creatures. For centuries, the banyan tree has been a central point for the village communities of India. Thank you everyone for hearing.